What? A dog tag?
Are you the one that you see on Facebook?
Yeah. Cans, broken glass. I get out of here.
Good job. You're the one who gets all the lures off the bridge?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I saw your video. Yeah. Good job, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. A lot of garbage already. See, this doesn't belong in there. Yeah.
Oh, another earring. Heavy.
Two earrings, a lure, glasses, a vape, a shell bracelet. Oh, that creeped me out. I was trying to focus my eyes, there's a snapper right in front of my face.
What? A dog tag? Oh.
Snorkel, glasses, chunk of metal. We're gonna find the owner of this thing. It says Miller on it, US Marine Corps. Cool. People being trashy. Got a chunk of metal here. Get that out. It's a full Mountain Dew river drink. Some glass. Toss that. It says 1903 on it. And I'm gonna keep this other stuff as souvenirs. This is from Diamond Lake. This spot that I was just diving in is called Black Bridge. People come from that way, tubing down the river, floating, and they get out right here. And then a lot of times they'll come and jump off the bridge right here into the water. It's a little deeper here, but then people drop their phones, keys, glasses, dog tags, earrings, all kinds of stuff. There's a log right down there that's pretty sharp, broken glass in there, got that out of there. And then they pulled the stop sign out over here. If you want to bring drinks into our beautiful rivers, I just ask that you quit leaving them in the water. Cans, glass, all the junk. Not good for our system, not good for the water life. Dangerous for people to be walking in, stepping on glass, aluminum, sharp stuff. Please be a little more careful. So I found these dog tags today in the Peshtigo River over by Black Bridge. I posted on my Facebook and my TikTok that I found these dog tags. It said Miller on it, USMC. Within 2 hours, a friend of mine, the sheriff of Marinette County, Randy Miller, texted me and he said, hey, those are my son's dog tags.
So we were at home, obviously, and I've known Ed a long time, not because I'm a police officer, but because I've known Ed as a friend for a long time. But another lady that I used to work with, Mary Stevens, she immediately texted us and said, hey, did Brandon lose his dog tags? It was just out of the blue, and we were like, yes, he did, about almost 10 years ago. And she says, well, Ed the diver just found some on the Black Bridge. We reached out to Ed, and right away he came back and showed us a picture. We showed him to our son, and he confirmed that was his ID number. And it would have been 2014 that he had come home on leave after going away to the Marine Corps.
Yeah.
Went in, dived in, and actually lost his tags right where that bridge is. So
Almost 10 years ago.
Almost 10 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah. And I had gone there several times in the fall to try to locate them when the water was lower, and just never had any luck. So it definitely took a professional to find them. So,
well, thanks.
Yeah, thank you. This is obviously very sentimental to him, and we can't wait to get it back to him. And highly recommend you. I mean, you've done so much, and we worked on other cases and stuff, and you do a tremendous job.
I appreciate it. Love working with you guys. And,
yeah, thank you.
You guys help me out on finding suspicious stuff in the waterways. And,
yeah, and we will use you again in the future.
All right. That's good news.
This is tremendous to find this. He was in boot camp and went back, so I'm sure he had to explain to his drill instructors what happened to these dog tags. He's definitely going to like this, and the work you do out there, taking all the things out of the waters and keeping things clean, is tremendous. So thank you.
I appreciate it.